Hi, welcome to another video tutorial on the Visual Products Configurator plugin. Here in this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate through this error here that says looks like you're trying to access the configuration page directly. This page can only be assigned by clicking on the Your button from the products or the shop page. Now, for you to have encountered this error, it means that you definitely must have defined a configuration page within the plugin settings. And the only one way to recreate that problem would be if you had tried to view the configuration page, whatever it is you call the configuration page. If you try to access it directly, that's when you get this particular error. Now this error surfaces because the configuration page is where all of your customers' configuration would actually take place on. Now it's very important to note that the configuration page needs to reference an existing WooCommerce product. Now, if you have several customizable products on your website, for instance, the configuration page needs to tell which to be displayed, which is why a reference is very, very important. Now, in a bid to resolve the problem, one of the places you really want to start from would be to check your configurations, or your configuration in case you just have one like me here. And you can have as much configurations as you want. Here on my test sites, I have the bicycle demo, and I'm just going to go to my WooCommerce products. And the second thing to do would be to check if I have assigned my configuration to the existing WooCommerce product. So here on my bicycle demo, still loading up a bit. You can see here that I have a configuration assigned, which is the bicycle demo. It's worth mentioning that the configuration name, which is what you can see here, doesn't have to match with the product name. It's just coincidental here on my test site. So definitely the product has a configuration assigned to it, and the best way to access the configurator page would be to open this product here and then totally click on build your own. So I'm just going to open that in a new tab. If I click on build your own, there you have it. The configuration page has opened, and I can go right ahead to make my customizations. From the shop page, if you have the settings turned on from the plugin settings, you could also access the configuration page with the build your own button here directly from the shop page. And that's one way to actually access the configuration page. Another way to access the configuration page that was covered in another tutorial is to use shortcodes. Now, I'm just going to go over it real quickly again, but you can refer back to that so you're sure. I have a page here that could totally reflect the configurator page, and this is the shortcode here that I've inserted here, and this here is the product ID. You can find the product ID here. Remember, we're using the bicycle demo, so the bicycle demo has a product ID of, let's just let that load out real quickly. Product ID of 102, as you can see here clearly. So with that being said, and this page containing the shortcode that references the product, I can totally click on this and access the configuration page. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.